Hello, everybody. I hope you're having a great day. And today I'm sending this tutorial video to show you how to use the tool Forvo. The first thing you will do is go to Google. In the Google search engine, you will look for Forvo. Forvo. And you will click on search. Here, the first result or the result that you have to see is this one that says Forvo. You will click on this forvo.com. You have to see that it has this blue and white icon on it. So you will click on here and you will have this page. Make sure you have the menu Forvo. This will look different, a little bit differently in the computer, but that's okay. You have the pronunciation dictionary, and you have to click on search to search a word. In this case, we'll search for the word for one of the most difficult words to pronounce in English. I won't pronounce it yet. You look for pronunciation and you'll have different pronunciations in different languages. In this case, we will choose English and we'll click on search. And here you have different informations. For example, in this case, you have 12 results for the word in English, and we have other options, for example, translations or Creole languages. We have the accents. You can search for the word in a British accent or American accent, also other accents. In this case, we will use the American accent because this is the standard. So you click on this. For example, the first one has display icon here, and you can click on it, and
jewelry.
Here you'll have the pronunciation of the word. We will listen to it again.
Jewelry.
Jewelry. The idea is that you repeat after you listen to it. If you scroll down, you will see the pronunciation in context. For example, this word.
Jewelry box.
And we have this other.
The stolen loot was a great amount of cash, 2 Rolexes, and valuable jewelry.
Great. And other.
Resin jewelry.
And then you can repeat resin jewelry. This is a great way to practice and to improve your pronunciation, your vocabulary, to go over grammar structures. So this is a perfect tool for you to practice. This is all, guys. Thank you so much for your time, and you have a great day. See you soon.